dark lips, two-toned lips, hyperpigmented lips. In this video, I'm going to give you a treatment just for that. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun. In today's video, like I said, we will be dealing with the issue of the darkening of the lips. Now, when I started my journey on TikTok as a skincare content creator, ever since then, I have been receiving a lot of questions on this particular topic, and I've always recommended using a sugar scrub and an SPF-based lip balm. These have been my two standard recommendations because that's all I knew. However, I've been searching for an actual treatment, something that works. And while I was doing my research, on YouTube, on TikTok, and a lot of other social media platforms, I found some really dangerous recipes, concoctions with baking soda, lemon juice, toothpaste. But luckily, because I've also been doing my course to get certified as a skincare consultant, in the process, I discovered some great ingredients. And in the last 2.5, 3 months, with 3 volunteers, I have been able to create a treatment that will actually solve the problem of the darkening of the lip. So let's get into it. Before we get started, do consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It will really help me. I create new content every Tuesday and Friday. Let's get into the reasons why the lip darkens. Now, this can happen naturally because of sun damage. This can be caused due to hormonal issues. So if this is a sudden change in your life or on your lips, you need to go get a blood test. This can also happen due to excessive smoking, not so much drinking, but definitely excessive smoking. And in addition to this, a huge reason for two-toned lips is really your genetics. So it is not uncommon for people of the Indian subcontinent and people of color in general to have two-toned lips or have dual-colored lips. But now let's get into the treatment. The first ingredient that I'm going to recommend to you is going to be alpha arbutin serum. You all know it is a brightening ingredient. It is an extract. It is a naturally derived ingredient which is found in berries and pomegranate. It's extremely brightening. It's not irritating. And this is what I recommend that you apply to your lips every single morning, and you follow it up with an SPF lip balm. Now, in your nighttime skincare routine, what are you going to apply to your lips? You will go to a good old retinol-based eye cream. Retinol has a lot of scientific data for it helping you resurface the cell turnover and therefore helping with discoloration. The reason I'm recommending a retinol-based eye cream and not a retinol-based cream or tretinoin or any other retinoid is because they are very, very strong, and the skin on our lips is a lot thinner than the skin on our face, but it is not as thin as the skin under our eyes. So if it can work for under your eyes, it can definitely work, and it has worked. I've seen it firsthand. It can definitely work for your lips. So every night you're going to be using a retinol-based eye cream, and then you're going to follow it up with a thick lip balm. Doesn't have to have SPF. You can just use Vaseline, you can use glycerine, anything, but you definitely need a thick ingredient that is sort of coating your lips, because retinol, as we know, is very, very drying. Now, this is what you're going to do every single day, AM and PM, and once a week. Most definitely do not skip this. Use a sugar scrub, a sugar lip scrub. Now, there are so many in the market and you can just go buy any one. But if you don't want to go ahead and sort of buy a sugar scrub, go ahead and make one. It's really simple. 1 part sugar, same quantity of any oil of your choice. You can use coconut, olive, avocado, whatever works for you. There are lots of recipes on how you can create a DIY sugar scrub on YouTube. Follow those, but just don't add lemon to it, because lemon can really, really irritate the pH level of your lips and skin in general. So just sugar and some oil is good enough for you to create your scrub. Now, this is a routine that you need to follow AM and PM for at least 3 to 4 months. Now, the results will depend on the level of pigmentation that exists on your lips. Now, the 3 volunteers who sweetly agreed to sort of work with me on this project. One of them had discoloration due to sun damage because it's a very recent phenomena for her. Another gentleman had it due to smoking. The third one just always sort of had dark lips. Now, for the person who always had dark lips, we've not seen life-changing results. It has been a stark improvement, and it took her almost 3 months. But for the gentleman who was smoking and for the other person who just had it darkened over time, we've seen some fantastic results with this particular routine. So I'm giving it to you with all my love and confidence. Give it a go. Let me know how does it work out for you. If you like this video, do consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Now at this point, I am also going to make a warning that you would have seen during this on the screen throughout this video. This routine is not for pregnant and nursing women because alpha arbutin and retinol are both not recommended. If you're pregnant, if you're nursing, you can definitely just use a sugar scrub. You can use your SPF balm, glycerine, any of those things, but both retinol and alpha arbutin are out for you. I do have a video on pregnancy skincare, so if you're interested, I'm going to link it here. I have a playlist actually on what are the kind of basic skincare issues that are all covered under how to playlist, so you can go ahead and watch that. I will see you in the